मेहमान के इस्तकबाल में मैं कुछ अशार पेश करूँगा। खुश आमदीद वो आया हमारी चौखट पर, खुश आमदीद वो आया हमारी चौखट पर, बहार जिसके कदमों का तवाफ करती है। शुक्रिया तेरे आने से रौनक तो बड़ी, शुक्रिया तेरे आने से रौनक तो बड़ी, वरना ये महफिल जज्बात अधूरी ही रहती।
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, my honorable teachers and my honorable special guests and my dear shining stars, today I want to start expressing my golden thoughts with a precious gift which is given by Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that is known as Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today my topic is about the reverence of the Holy Quran. My honorable attendees, it is an undeniable fact that a letter from a great person comes to us. We receive it with gratitude, we open it with respect, and we read it with respect, and we act on it according to our own ability. My dear attendees, just think about it. If we can appreciate the letter of a person like us, then the Holy Quran is the letter of Almighty Allah, who is the King of all kings, about which Allah Almighty says in the Holy Quran, لو أنزلنا هذا القرآن على جبل لرأيته خاشعا متصدعا من خشية الله. If I had sent it down on a mountain, it would have crumbled into pieces from the fear of Almighty Allah. And this is the glorious letter from Almighty Allah, about which Allah Almighty says, when it was sent down to the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, drops of sweat would have appear on his forehead, even in the coldest of winters. And this is the glorious letter of Almighty Allah, who is the King of all kings, and who is the possessor of strength and power, who is the possessor of majesty and glory, who is the possessor of glory and beauty, who is the possessor of attributes and perfections, and who is the possessor of bestowal and gain. And imperfect and simple people like us cannot know the attributes of Almighty Allah. And how can we reach in deep of the Holy Quran? Even a great prophet, Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, could not be the word of Almighty Allah. If Allah Almighty had not kept him steadfast, he might have crumbled into the pieces like Mount Tur. And my dear attendees, the reverence of the Holy Quran is the part of our faith. Whoever doesn't have reverence of his heart of the Holy Quran, he or she doesn't have the faith of the Holy Quran. And my dear attendees, whenever you look at the Holy Quran, look at it with the reverence. Whenever you hold the Holy Quran in your hands, keep in mind the reverence of the Holy Quran. And my dear attendees, whenever you recite the Holy Quran, recite it with reverence. While reciting, realize that this is the letter of Almighty Allah, who is the King of all kings, who is the creator of all worlds. Now I want to finish my topic with a simple prayer. I pray that Allah Almighty fills my and your heart with the greatness of Himself and His letter. I'm very thankful to all of you.